Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Kali Linux ISO file. Go to a browser, just click Kali Linux ISO. Then you will find the first website as Kali Linux. Go inside it. Then here you have to choose your platform. Do you want for installer image or virtual machine, for ARC, for mobile, for cloud, for containers, for live boot, for WSL and etc. Right now I want for installer. I click on this. Once you click this, you will get every details which support this installer. And also if you want to Apple Silicon chip, you can choose this, or else Windows system you can choose this. So click on this. It is of about 4.3 GB. Just wait for a few minutes, it will get downloaded. This is the downloading part of Kali Linux. Now you can see the download is completed. So when you check in files, you can see the Kali Linux. So that's it guys, that's it how you download Kali Linux ISO file. I have made this video very detailed explanation for any other ARM processor architecture for downloading this Kali Linux. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.